Okay guys, this is Ike Stars Trains HD and welcome back, and today I decided to do a cheeky, quick little session on trains at Exeter St David's on a Thursday evening. As you can see, we got a HST coming in going to Penzance.
Platform 5 for the 1825 Crosscountry service to Leeds via Bristol to Leeds. Forward Tiverton Parkway, Taunton, Bristol.
Way on time this one is, just good to see. Coming in very slowly. One 43621 on that Exmouth train. He's running a bit late. You guys got the Penzance train now ready to depart. .3091 on that Penzance train just left, and we've got the Crosscountry service to Leeds just arrived. 221119 on that train. Okay, we'll come back in a few seconds, guys. Got the Express service now going back out. We got the cross-country service now leaving to Leeds. Okay, we'll come back in a few seconds with another train. There you guys, we got a free coaches train going to Central. On Exeter Central only. Well, 5266 at the front and the 153361 at the back.
We are sorry to announce that the 1812 cross-country service to Paynton is delayed by approximately 24 minutes.
It seems like the cross-country trains today, guys, are running late. Okay, come back in a few seconds. Hey guys, back. We got the delayed cross-country service to Paynton now coming in. He's delayed by approximately about 23-24 minutes late. Cross countries are usually good with their timekeeping, actually. Not today. This is a 4 coach, should be a 220, so got a train coming out from the sidings, the 150. Just keep the camera rolling, see what number it is on it. So 150. .263, I think that was. Okay guys, I'll come back in a few seconds.
Train has 4 coaches.
Coach train coming in now, going to Payton. 1436, 20 will be at the back now. And the 143, 618 at the front. 618 looking rather filthy. Keep the camera rolling. You've got this cross country service to Payton now leaving. So you've got 2 trains going to Payton. I like how the long trains still goes to Payton at this time of the year. Okay, well that's that train. That train that just come out of depot is coming back in. So that one is coming back in now. It just made an appearance and it's now going back in. So I'll just quickly let you know that the train's going back in now. Where's 263? Yeah. Okay, come back in a few seconds. Okay, there's that train to Payton. I'll come back in a few seconds with another train. There you guys, we've got the Exeter train coming in now. 2 coaches. What is it? It's a 150. .150, 216. Got another train coming out for the sidings. I think that's the 126. So I'll come back in a few seconds. We've got the extra surf now going back out, guys. Got another train coming down the line. Not sure what that one is. I'll come back in a few seconds.
The train. First class is at the rear of the train. Platform 4 for the 1846 cross-country service to Penzance.
We have 3 153s together. I've never seen that before, guys, so that's different. 153 329, and it's the 369 at the front, and we have my follower in the middle, the 153 333 in the middle. So yeah, 3 153s like that together is different. So yeah, that's different. I'm not sure where it's off to though. Maybe Barnstable? I don't know. Anyway, guys, we'll come back in a few seconds. Hey guys, back. We got the Crosscountry service to Penzance now coming in. He's running a bit late. Not sure how many coaches it is. I think it's 4. So I'll come back in a few seconds. Hey guys, we got the Crosscountry service to Penzance now leaving. If I can get my words out. That's 5 coaches, 221 at 133. Looks like that train struck a bird at the front, because I noticed a bit of feathers and blood. Although I'm sure none of you wanted to know that. Okay guys, we'll come back in a few seconds. I'm going to end it with the London Pange train, which is at about 7 o'clock. So we'll come back then. Okay guys, we're back. I'll give you a cheeky little look of how well the works are going on to extend the depot at St David's. It's going to be a slow process, but they'll eventually get there. I think they'll probably complete this by, I would say by mid-2019, end of 2019. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you that, guys. Okay, we'll come back in a few seconds with the London Pange train. Hey guys, we've got the Great Western Railway service to London Paddington now coming in. Apparently it's got a Pullman restaurant service on board. Now that sounds quite posh. 408 coaches. It's a good old HST. These won't be around for much longer though, guys. They will be gone probably by start of 2019. I've been told. There you guys, but you got the London Pange train now ready to depart. Bit of a delay there was. And as that train goes out, I'll leave it here, guys. Hope you enjoyed this cheeky little Thursday evening session. Quite a good variety, actually, I have to admit. Yeah, so don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next video. Cheers, guys.